Now we are looking at the problem here. These two questions you're looking at is extracted from the West African Senior School Certificate Examination, and the topic we're looking at is circle theorem now. Now, for those of you having phobia in mathematics, I'm sure this will look very funny, but here's a class that teaches you concepts. Now, for you to understand this, please, I'd like you to go to my previous class and look at it. I explained clearly what the theorems are. And here I'm now going to teach you the application of those theorems. Now let's look at question number 1. Now looking at the diagram here, it says you should find the size of POM. The size of POM. Now, if you take a careful look at this, these are two parallel lines, okay? They are parallel lines. And then you can see a line here drawn from this point to this point. It's the radius. This is also the radius too. And we know what happens with this. It makes it what? An isosceles triangle. Go back to, like I said, my previous lesson will help you understand what I'm doing here. All right? Any line drawn from the center to any part of the circumference is actually the radius, especially from the center, okay? And then it forms an isosceles triangle. This is one, and this angle here is angle 140, that is ONS here. This entire angle here is 140. But this angle is on a straight line, and as such, if we sum the angle on the straight line, it will give us 180. So I only need 40 here to make this angle, the sum of this angle 180. Now, given the fact that this is an isosceles triangle, the base angle are usually equal. So this angle also is 40 degrees. And by your plane geometry, I have done that. Like I said, these are previous classes. By the plane geometry, you can see that this angle here is equal to this angle here. Why? It is referred to as alternate angle. So we are asked to find the size PON. Size PON, therefore, is what? 40 degrees. Okay? What we are looking for here is 40 degrees. You can actually solve this question very simple and very, very quickly. You get this done in this class, Maths Made Simple 247. Now let's look at the other question too. Like I said, they are all extracted from the West African Senior School Certificate Examination. How do you solve this problem? You're looking at this. Now look at this now. This is a line drawn from the center to this point. Another line drawn from the center to the circumference, which makes this triangle an isosceles triangle. Okay? And we know that the sum of angle in a triangle is equal to 180. So let us call this angle here A, and let us call this angle A. So it means therefore that A plus 180, A plus A plus 108 degrees will give you 180. Okay, I'm sure you're seeing that part of the board. If not, let me take you to this part. That is A plus 108 degrees will give you 180 degrees. That is 2A is equal to 180 minus 108. Sorry, I'm encroaching into the diagram. All right. Now let's go. 180 minus 108 will give you 2 here. If I take here 0, take away 8. No, 10 take away 8 will give you 2. And then I am left with what? 7 here. And then this will give you 72 degrees. So 2A is equal to 72 degrees, leaving you with A equal to 72 all over 2. And that will give us 36 degrees. So A is equal to 36 degrees. But we are asked to calculate the size of angle PTN. The size of angle PTN. Angle PTN. Now, whenever a line is drawn from the center, okay, to bisect a tangent, it forms what we call angle what? 90. Whenever a line is drawn from the center to bisect a tangent, okay, that line that you draw is now perpendicular to that tangent, hence making this angle what? 90. And we know that this angle here is what? A, and A is 36. So to find angle PTN therefore will be what? 90 plus 36. 90 plus 36, which is going to make our answer 126 degrees. Okay? If you like this, please share with your friends, share with your other colleagues, and I'm sure this class will really assist you. Like I said, in order to understand circle theorem properly, please go to my previous class and you will not regret you did so. Thank you very much for joining my class. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.